New Vande Bharat Express train leaves from Dumka for Ranchi. Before starting of the video, please subscribe Creations Lab and don't forget to press the bell icon. Dumka Ranchi Vande Bharat Express train is starting from 15 September. This train will reach Ranchi from Dumka in just 4 hours. The train will not have general bogies and the ticket will be more expensive than the other trains. Flag of Baidyanath Dham Kashi Biswanath Vande Bharat train from Jamshedpur to Tatanagar and Dumka to Ranchi Vande Bharat train to take place on 15 September. People of Dumka and Santal Pargana are going to get a big gift from the railway on September 15. Dumka Ranchi Vande Bharat Express train will start operating from Dumka station from September 15. This train reach Ranchi via Godda, Dumka, Basukinath, Deoghar in just 4 hours. The timetable of the train has not come yet due to the notification not being issued. Dumka Ranchi Vande Bharat train will go from Godda, Deoghar, Madhopur to Ranchi via Giridi station, Jamua, Rajdhanwar, Kodarma, Barahi and Hazaribagh. The timetable of this train will also be released soon. There will be no general bogies in this train. The train ticket will cost more than other trains. This Vande Bharat train will depart from Varanasi at 6:20 am. It will reach Gaya station at 9:10 am and Baidyanath Dham station at 13:30. With the start of the train operation, devotees visiting Baba Baidyanath in Deoghar, Vishnupad temple in Gaya and Kashi Biswanath temple in Varanasi will get great convenience. According to the railway officials, the train will run at a speed of 100 from Dumka to Jasidi. The train will run according to the capacity of the track. After Jasidi, the train will run according to its speed. Currently, the Ranchi Howrah Vande Bharat train operates 6 days a week via Tatanagar. The anticipated Vande Bharat train for Patna is eagerly awaited by passengers who face challenges with seat availability on the existing South Bihar Express and Tatanagar Danapur Express. The new Vande Bharat service is expected to reduce travel time between Tatanagar and Patna to 8 hours compared to the 11 hours required by the current trains. Additionally, Orissa will receive its 4th Vande Bharat Express on Tatanagar Berhampur route starting from September 15th. The train will operate 6 days a week, excluding Tuesday. The new Tatanagar Patna Vande Bharat Express, operating 6 days a week, is expected to complete its journey in about 7 hours. The train will depart from Tatanagar at 6 am and arrive in Patna by 1 pm, while the return service will leave Patna at 3 pm and reach Tatanagar at 11 pm. This expansion follows the recent inauguration of 3 other Vande Bharat routes linking Meerut to Lucknow, Madurai to Bengaluru and Chennai to Nagercoil. Patna, which already benefits from Vande Bharat connections to Ranchi, Howrah, New Jalpaiguri and Lucknow, will see enhanced connectivity with these new additions. Vande Bharat Express train set to operate between Tatanagar in Jharkhand and Berhampur in Orissa is all set for his trial run on September 8. The South Eastern Railway has confirmed this schedule, making a significant milestone in improving travel comfort for passengers between the two states. The trial run for Tata Berhampur Vande Bharat Express will commence on September 8, with the train departing from Tatanagar and covering the journey to Berhampur in 9 hours and 10 minutes. For the returning trip, the train will take 8 hours and 55 minutes. The purpose timetable for the Tata Berhampur Vande Bharat has been released. The train will depart from Tatanagar at 5:20 am and is expected to reach Berhampur at 2:30 pm. The return journey will begin at 3 pm from Berhampur, with an expected arrival in Tatanagar at 11:55 pm. The train will have scheduled halt at key station along with its routes. It will stop at Chaibasa at 6:10 am, Dangoaposi at 7 am, and Banspani at 7:43 am, Nayagar at 8:30 am, Kendujagar at 8:54 am, Harichandanpur at 9:34 am, Jakhapura at 10:35 am, Cuttack at 11:23 am, Bhubaneswar at 11:57 am, Khurda Road at 12:17 pm, Balugaon at 1:37 pm. En routes to Berhampur with a brief 2-minute halt at each stations.